going to do home decor recycle from
cardboard,
okay,
scissor and puncture,
okay,
so tape, different kinds of tape,
okay,
a glue and maybe a ribbon,
okay,
a paper, a hard paper.
okay.
Lastly, we also need a cutter.
So we need to open this double-sided tape so it can function. But you need to be careful. So to put this on the
bunch?
this one. No, we need to wrap this. So it would look pretty and quite decent lah.
Understand? You're the one who brings this? Wow. So what is this? Sticker.
So this is the cardboard.
The base.
The base of for our connector. Like paper. For our base connector. Now we have done the body of the calendar. Ta-da! So we wait for the base. Now we are going to testing first. First we put the rope here, and then
Tie it.
we'll tie it here, and then ta-da! So this is how it functions. Yeah. So now we wait for the base.
After we finish the base and the frame, we are going to glue the frame using super glue.
So there, we have two cameras actually. From this side and this side.
Number and the mount to the frame.
From my perspective, we have to glue the body and the face together, and we need to tie the rope around the body to
So now we're apa orang panggil? Lekat the sticker.
Letak je dulu. Yang kat bawah nanti kita saltik.
This is for decoration purpose.
So this is the final result of our hanging calendar from use our box, cardboard, newspaper, a rope,
Double tape,
double tape,
stickers.
stickers.
Don't forget to throw out the rubbish, okay?